Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to explain the model that I made for my B.Ed third semester as per the requirements. And the topic of this model is agents of socialization. Okay, so this model belongs to social science subject, which is also known as method 2 in B.Ed. Okay, I chose this topic because I found it really interesting. We all live in a society, but have you ever wondered who actually teaches us how to behave, communicate, respect others, and become a good person? Well, we are not born with all those skills, right? So don't worry. There is no how to be human app to download, right? So that's exactly what this model is about. So before we begin, if you enjoy educational videos like this, please take a second to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. It really motivates me to make more videos like this. Okay, so as you can see this is my model. It shows the 6 agents of socialization. Okay, so these are the people and places that helps us learn how to live in a society. Let me explain each one by one. Okay, first look at these two people talking. This represents communication or social interaction, right? We learn many things just by talking and listening to others. So every conversation teaches us, something, how to speak, politely, how to respect different opinions, and how to understand other people. So yes, even a simple conversation can be a great teacher. So think about it. So next we have religion. Okay, it doesn't matter that which religion that you belong to, but religion teaches us, values like kindness, honesty, respect, discipline, and helping others, right? So it also helps us understand what is right and what is wrong, and encourages us to become better human beings, right? So moving on to neighbors. Neighbors are also an important part of our life, right? So they teach us how to share, cooperate, help each other, and live peacefully in a community. So sometimes neighbors even know what's happening before our own relatives do. Yes. Yes, that is a fact. Sometimes neighbors even know what's happening, before our own relatives do. So, yes, they are an important part of socialization too. Now comes the most important one, that is family. Okay, so family is the first and strongest agent of socialization. So everything starts here. A child first learn how to speak, behave, respect elders, share with others, and follow good manners at home. So parents play a very important role. If children receive good guidance, love, and support from their family, they usually grow up with good values and confidence, right? So that's why people often say that family is a child's first school, and I completely agree with that. So parenting is very important. Okay, so because parents are a child's first teachers, so the values they teach at home stay with children for a lifetime, right? So if parents teach children to respect others, be kind, speak politely, control their anger, and treat everyone equally, so those children are more likely to become responsible and respectful adults. On the other hand, if children do not receive proper guidance, discipline, or moral values at their own home, they may develop negative behavior, some kind of creep behavior. So this can sometimes contribute to problems in society. Okay, so such as disrespectful behavior, harassment, or other inappropriate actions. Okay, of course parenting is not the only reason. Friends, school, social media, society, and a person's own choices also influence behavior. So that is why all the agents of socialization work together to shape an individual's personality. Next, we have peers, okay, which means peers means our friends and classmates. We spend a lot of time with them, especially in school and college. From our friends, we learn, teamwork, sharing, communication, confidence, and sometimes, few funny habits too, right? So, but good friends always encourage us to become better people, right? So, choose your friends wisely, okay? You must you must be aware of who is your real friend even behind you, right? So finally we have school is not only a place to study math, science, or social science, okay? So it is also a place where we learn discipline, punctuality, responsibility, right? And teamwork, and leadership, and respect for others, right? So teachers guides us, not only in our studies but also in building our personality. So these are the six agents of socialization, right? So if you are lacking in your discipline, punctuality, responsibility, your negative behavior, just think about it, that your school was not good, okay? That you have chosen the wrong school. And yes, so these are the six agents of socialization. Each one plays an important role in shaping our personality and helping us become responsible members of society, in which family plays an important role. The specific is the the parenting. If your parenting is not good, then you know you can understand that the way you are today, it is only because of your parent parenting of your parents, okay? So yes, so without these agents, learning how to live with others would be much more difficult, okay? And that's the complete explanation of my model. I hope I explained it in a simple and easy way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.